Okay, we're going to cover some of the graphic editing features. This is a 16 color bitmap that I got from Windows. When you're working with Windows, don't let Windows modify your primary partition, because my FAT32 support doesn't support all aspects of short names and recycle bin and stuff. So use a different partition from your primary partition for transferring files from Windows. In order to transfer files, you need VMware Professional or WinImage. Anyway, once you get one in, then enter and then type it. Okay, now we just put a BMP file on the command line. Now I'm going to put it on the clipboard if I can find it. Control T, toggle, there it is. Now I put it on the clipboard, come into here and paste it. First I'm going to make it transparent. So Control T, Control R to edit. Now there's three main menus: the edit menu, the vector menu, and the bitmap menu. I'm going to set the color to transparent and then flood fill. So and now it's transparent. If I move, you can see my cursor sticking out through there. So Control T, Control R. Okay, I want to show you this sidebar here. Is the vector commands are in order. If we I'm going to set snap. So if I draw a rectangle, it's in order. Now the neat thing is I can come over here and put these on the clipboard, cut and paste, and now it's now the rectangle is drawn before the cat. So let's go ahead and let's do another. So let's do a yellow rectangle. Okay, now let's shift points. We go to the edit menu, shift points. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Oh, I'm messing this up. I wanted to move the cat centered. Okay. Okay, so now the cat is centered. Okay, now I want to merge these. If you put it on end and you go to the vector menu and then you go to create edit bitmap, this will merge. If this is on end, your insert point, then this will merge them. Use extents. I merged them into one bitmap. Now I want to show you something else. You can work with layers. If you do multiple, don't do everything all in one. You can use the clipboard. This is really powerful. So you can create stuff separately and then paste it together. Edit, insert clipboard, insert. I'm making it 3 times now. Shift points. So let's make one of these transparent. So let's go to the vector menu. Now let's edit one of these bitmaps. And let's transparent. Okay, oh, this is a problem. It's doing the whole, not just this bitmap. Oh well. We're going to set it to transparent and flood fill. So I'm suspicious. Okay, now we can vector edit, shift points. So we turned that one into transparent. So you can work with layers if you know what you're doing. Anyway, now I want to show you a couple tricks. You can Control-Alt-Z to zoom. Control-Alt-Shift-Z, zoom out. Control-Alt-G makes a grid. Control-Alt-Shift-G gets rid of the grid. Now the other trick is let's get out of this. Let's create a bitmap that's bigger than the screen. We're going to go from 0 to 1023. 0. Let's go 255. So we made a big bitmap. Now let's color it green, flood fill. Okay, now I think the whole thing's green. Okay, the whole thing's green. Anyway, if I do Control left drag, I can access an area larger than the screen. Control left drag. Okay, so I can even, this is kind of hard to do, but I can even draw a rectangle larger than the screen. Okay, so I have the button, I'm holding the button. Now I press Control, then I drag, and with the, I'm still holding Control. Now I press the button because I have to continue the rectangle. Release Control. Okay, so let's see what we did. So I drew a rectangle bigger than the screen. Okay, so that's when the rest should be self-explanatory. You can figure out the rest. Anyway, let's see. Transforms. You can do 3D editing, but that's not very easy and it's tedious. That ought to get you going.